Hi WW family!
Hi guys.
Hi everyone.
Hi guys, I just wanted to pop in and say I know it's tricky at the moment, but now more than ever I appreciate the WW support that I'm getting every day.
In a time where we've got no control on the outside world, remember that we can control our inside world.
You've got all the tools that you need within the app now, and of course we've got the new virtual workshops which are fabulous.
We're making sure we go out for a walk in the sunshine every day.
I've done like daily morning yoga.
Every time I think about not being able to do something, I change that into an I can statement. So instead of saying I can't go to the gym, I say, well, I can do a home workout.
And send out as much love as you can to everyone that you love.
Together we can get through this, albeit with really dry hands and grey roots.
Keep going, keep doing you and remain positive.
We got this. We're WW.